निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
Swapna Mahodaya sent a message that she won't be able to join today.
हाँ, दृष्टवती। टुडे अयः इत्युक्ते ऐरन्
ऐरन्
पठतु महोदय।
अयः लोके तावत् सुवर्णं रजतं ताम्रं पित्तलम् अयः सीसमित्येवविधा
इत्येवं विधा
सीसम् इति
एवं विधा
एवं विधा बहवो लोहाः सन्ति।
बहवो लोहाः
सन्ति। लोके तावत् इत्युक्ते
that kind of
okay. Gold, silver, tamram, copper, pitlam is bronze, iron, lead, iti एवं विधा बहवो लोहाः विधा is variety. Vidha is variety.
Metals, many metals are there.
Bahavo means lot, right?
Many.
In that iron is lot, or how is?
No. Bahavaha lohaha santi. There are many metals like this. So,
lohaha means metals. Oh, it's not iron here.
Ayaha is
okay. No, in Hindi, loha is iron. Okay.
Loham is metal.
ते तत्तदाकरेषु मृदा लोहान्तरेण वा व्यामिश्रा उपलभ्यन्ते न तु शुद्धरूपाः। ते तत्तदाकरेषु What is tattada?
तदा तत् आकरेषु
तदा
तत् ओके तदा
आकरेषु। आकरः इत्युक्ते किम्?
आकर
shapes it is.
आकरः इत्युक्ते
सप्तमी विभक्ति, right? आकरेषु.
Yeah. What is akara?
आकरः इत्युक्ते किम्?
Shape it is. Shape.
No, that is आकारः. आकरः.
Akara.
Available.
Source. Akara is source. Okay. Okay, so these tada
tat,
तत् आकरेषु
when akare
तदा नास्ति तत्
from
tat, tat.
oh okay okay
Akarish, mine is also there. Mine.
yeah
Mine.
oh okay so these in the mines mrida is what mrida
is tell me mrit
mrit is
This soil, mud.
mrida
okay
in the soil
Mrida is clay or
lohantarena antarena va vyamishra oh okay they are inside the soil mixed or mixed vyamishra upalabhyante available in a mixed form or with the soil in the soil natu suddha rupa they are not available in pure form tadrisha tadrishas tadrishaste
तादृशाः
खनिभ्यः
Te,
तादृशाः ते खनिभ्यः उद्धृत्य संस्क्रियन्ते ओके सो तादृशा तादृशा
Vishaha, te.
कीदृशा विनो तादृशा is new word
that, like that.
That type of
okay
that type of
that
metal.
this tadrik shabdam is also there in Shabdamanjari. You can later on have a look at it.
Adrik.
oh this te khanibhyah uddhritya from mines uddhritya having taken out from mines sanskrit they have to be cleaned up
Samskriyante
Sanskriyante is cleaning up, right? Purifying.
purify refinement that kind of
Okay. Having taken out, they have to be refined. Sanskritascha te jananam upyogaya kalpante. Sanskrita
once they are purified
cleaned, they are useful for the people. Tesham madhyeya
madhye
aya
मध्ये आया एव अत्यंतम उपयुक्तो लोह in that
among them
मध्ये आया
Ayaha
in the
means
middle
iron. Iron is iron.
iron in the middle
No, alapidam.
not iron in the middle among
Esha madhye, among them.
these metals
okay madhya is there right madhya
madhya is there but
Esha madhye.
okay among them iron is is very useful
Most useful.
atyantam upayuktah lohah
most useful metal
So the first paragraph says there are several metals like gold, silver, all those things. And then there are many metals, and they are saying even bronze, brass, bronze, and not bronze is an alloy, brass, and then iron, etc. They are
available
in a non-purified form.
Yeah.
And available non-purified form. After purification, they are taken out. But among this, all the metals, iron is the most useful.
what is pitalam is not bronze
brass huh?
brass okay
Ayastavad भूम्यन्तर्भागे शिलाखण्डैः सह सम्मिश्रमासाद्यते
Sammishram.
अयः सम्मिश्रम् आसाद्यते
Hmm.
अयः तावत् भूम्यस्य अन्तर्भागे भूम्यन्तर्भागे
Hmm.
शिलाखण्डैः सह सम्मिश्रम् आसाद्यते.
Hmm.
The iron is inside the
Rock.
earth
Shilakhand.
along with the stones.
Hmm.
Is mixed
Rocks.
available in the mixed along with the stone.
Hmm.
तानि च शिलाखण्डान् उत्थाय
Hmm.
चूर्णपिशं
Churnapesham pishtva.
पृष्ट्वा
Hmm.
द्रवीकृत्य
Hmm.
शुद्धमयः सम्पाद्यते.
Hmm.
That they are taken from the stones,
Hmm. From the mines.
mines.
Hmm.
Churnapesham prishta means they made it powdered.
Hmm.
Drivikrita melted after melting.
Hmm.
Shuddhamaya sambhadyate. They are purified.
Hmm.
अदा एव इदम् अस्मसारः
Hmm.
इति अभिधीयते.
Hmm.
Therefore, they are asmasaraha. They are called asmasara.
Hmm. Ashma ityukte stones.
Saraha.
Hmm.
Asmasaraha.
Hmm. So they are also called Ashmasaraha.
Asmasaraha.
Hmm.
Iti adiyate. Iti abhidiyate.
Hmm.
Taha cha bhumandale sarvatra prabhudataya अधिगम्यते. ताः च तच्च भूमण्डले, that is in the world, sarvatra, everywhere, prabhutaya is used mostly.
Prabhutataya, abundance you can say.
Abundance. Adhigamyate means it is used.
Available.
तस्माद् यस्य लोहस्य मूल्यं तस्मादयस्य लोहस्य मूल्यम् अत्यल्पम्. That is, therefore, this value of this iron is beyond comparison.
No.
It is very less. That's what it is, right?
Yes.
Because it is available in abundance, it is less expensive.
Yes.
मूल्यम् अत्यल्पम्. It is not very costly.
अयसः प्रयोजनानीयतया
प्रयोजनानि इयत्तया
निर्देष्टुम् अशक्यानि यत् अपि सुवर्णादयो लोहा अस्माकम् उपयुक्ता एव तथापि right तथापि तैर्विना वयं जीवितुं शक्नुयाम. So what does it say?
अयसः प्रयोजनानि इयत्तया निर्देष्टुम् अशक्यानि.
Ayasah is again iron here.
Yes, ayah.
Ayasah.
the usefulness or the
of iron is only this much. We can't say only this much. So it is ashakyani. To say that iron is useful only this way or that way is not possible. Yadyapi
यद्यपि स्वर्णतयो
Swarnadayah Loha.
Swarna adi. Adayah. So gold, etc. Metals. Apyasma.
Api.
Apyasma.
Api
So
Asmakam.
for us.
Upanishadaha eva. They are also
also useful to us.
gold and other
Also useful.
metals are also
Useful.
useful for us only. Tathapi.
Eva.
uh,
Tathapi.
Even
Taihi
then,
vina.
taihi vina.
Without iron.
Yeah, we
No,
can
no, not
No,
without.
without iron, without Suvarna.
Yes.
without gold and
Without-
other metals
ah.
can live without also it is possible to
Yes.
live
Ah.
without.
Hmm.
But what we are saying is iron is more important.
Yes.
Ayasa vina.
As ayasa vina vasmakam
Tu asmakam.
va
To
Vas-
us.
vasmakam, right?
Tu
asmakam.
asmakam.
Tu asmakam. Okay.
Hmm.
O vina tu asmakam lokai lokaya yatraiva
Lokayatra eva.
Iva.
yatra eva. Yes, still I don't know the sandhi rules.
Yatra
Some
Iva.
rules you will learn in your next level.
Lokayatra eva
Iva. Eva ne Iva.
iva.
Is it Iva or Eva?
Iva.
Eva.
Yatra
Eva.
eva, right?
Eva.
Eva.
I is correct.
Etra.
Dushkara.
Dushkara syat.
Dushkara syat.
Eva.
Without iron. Indeed, without iron, lokyatra. Matlab, traveling is difficult.
Not traveling.
Lokayatra means just general words.
Our life.
Oh, life.
Here, our life.
Life will be difficult.
Life journey. Life journey would be
Yes.
Life journey.
Krushim kartum gruhadikam nirmatum cha na prabhavet. Prabhavema. So what they say, krushim means for plowing, to do plowing
Farming.
or gruha, to build houses. It is not possible
Without iron.
without iron.
Asmakam khananopyuktani khanitrapitakadini takshanoupyuktani vrikshadini vrschanopyuktani parasukutharadani chetnopyuktani छुरिकादीनि कर्तनोपयुक्तानि कर्तर्यादीनि चायसा क्रियन्ते. Our खननोपयुक्तानि. Khanan is
Khanana
mines.
is
Mining.
mining. Yes.
Mining. Asmakam is ours, right? Our mining usage. Khanitra pitakadini.
To mine, what do we need?
For mining,
We
have to dig.
With what will you dig? So that they're talking about those
Instruments.
Iron rod kind of a thing where we.
So Khanitra Pitakadini. Pitaka and others. Khanitra, Pitaka and others.
Pitika is box, right?
Petika is
Petika is
Petika
box.
is box.
Okay.
Hmm.
What is Khanitra Pitaka?
Khanitra
That is
Pitaka
instrument,
is
Shovel or
that.
something. Shovel it is.
Yes.
Or driller.
With
maybe.
which they do this mining.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Takshana. Takshana is
Takshana is cutting trees. No?
Cutting.
Takshanopayuktani vrikshadi.
Tadini Takshana Vivaktani.
So with what do they
Cut the trees.
axe.
axe? So axe kind of things. Takshanopayuktani vrikshadi.
Shadini.
Okay. Oh, so they're telling all cutting trees, they need axe like that.
Yes. Wherever
Vrashchana.
iron is used, they are talking about all those implements.
Vrashchanopyuktani. Vrashchano. What is vrashchan? Vrashchan.
Parashu kuthara. Where are they used?
Vrashchan. What is Parsu Kuthara?
all you know.
It's a kind of axe.
Oh, okay. Vrashchanopyuktani is like chisel. Vrashchan. Parsu Kutharadini. What is Parsu Kutharadini?
Parsu is also
Parashu is an
axe.
instrument.
Parashurama.
Parashurama. What was he having?
Parasuramasya.
His instrument. Okay.
Kuthara. What was
Kuthara is hut, right?
something like that only.
Kutira is hut.
Kutira is hut. Kuthara.
Chedano to drill, to make a hole.
No.
Churika adini. Nice.
Chedana. Chedana is to cut.
Pierce, right? Cut. Okay. Kartanopyaktani. That is also scissor like cut. Kartyardini.
Kartari.
Che.
Kartari adini.
Oh, Kartari adini. Kartari is scissors, right?
Kartana.
And this also.
With scissors you cut in a different way. With churika you cut in a different way, like that. Parashu also cuts. So,
Okay. Different use.
Yes.
So churika you are chopping, with the scissors you are cutting.
Yes.
Like that's like
Okay.
Cha ayasa kriyante.
Cha ayasa.
Kriyante.
Cha ayasa. Ayasa.
Ayaha.
Okay. Another form.
Ayasa.
Like this iron is used.
With iron.
So if they're basically saying we use iron for mining, we use it for carpentry, we use it for
Masonry.
And then this chopping like vegetables,
Knife and scissors.
Scissors. And then we are also using it for cutting, tailoring.
But it is asmakam there, right? It is like, I think these are the uses for us.
Uses of
for us.
For iron.
For iron.
Abhi cha adyatve. Is it Abhi cha adyatve nana vidani yandrani ayasa nirmiyande.
Adya eva, right?
Apicha.
Abhi cha adyatve.
These days you can say.
Adhyatve means in these days. Nana vidani.
Adyat means?
Adhyah means today. Adhyatve means nowadays.
In these times you can say.
These times. Abhi cha adyatve nana vidani yandrani ayasa nirmiyande. Many types of this yandrani, that is machines are made with iron. Ayasaha abhave bashpa sakadadinam kada eva na syad. Bashpa means steam engine. Without iron, steam engine kada eva na syad.
It wouldn't have happened.
It cannot happen. साम्प्रतिकः नागरिकपरिष्कारकः सर्वः अपि अयोमूलकः. Nowadays, in modern parishkaraha means what does that mean? Parishkara sarvaha abhi sarvaha abhi ayomulakaha. It is from the iron, it's produced from the iron.
What does it mean? Sampratiku?
Sampratika means nowadays. Sampratika.
साम्प्रतिकः नागरिकपरिष्कारः.
परिष्कारः. This
Citizen.
modern things. What parishkara means?
Nagarika is citizen, right?
Yes, citizen. Means nowadays all solutions
in infrastructure or whatever parishkara.
In our
Everything is ayomul.
modern civilization, we can say, or current.
Yes.
Sarvaha abhi ayomulaka.
Ayomulaka.
Is coming from iron. ISI.
No, but Nagarika Pariskara, what did it become?
Civilization, solutions for the civilized life.
Okay.
Improvement, Nagarika improvement. Parishkara means improvement, I think.
Mulakaha.
Improvement.
Sarva api
Ayomulaka. Ayomulaka, iron.
Oh,
Originating
is
from iron.
okay. Is iron oriented.
अयसैः रूपकरणैः विना सुवर्णकारादयोः अपि स्वस्वकर्माणि कर्तुं न शक्नुवन्ति.
सुवर्णकारादयः अपि
स्वस्वकर्माणि कर्तुं न शक्नुवन्ति. Without these iron equipments, goldsmiths cannot do work.
Goldsmiths and others. Suvarnakaradayah. And others
cannot do their work.
Oh, even goldsmith and others cannot do their own work.
सरस्वती महोदये भवती पठतु.
यः अयसा तत् तदु
तत् उपकरणानि
तत्तत् उपकरणानि करोति सः अयस्कार इत्युच्यते. यः wherever iron is used.
No. Ayasa tattad upakaranani karoti. Yaha, the one who makes different implements with the iron. Saha ayaskaraha ityuchyate.
Okay, he is called ironsmith.
Blacksmith or ironsmith. So whoever makes all these using iron, they are called just like goldsmith, ironsmith.
Blacksmith, yeah.
Ayaskaraha अस्माकं उपयुक्तानि
भर्जनकपालानि. It is, I think, विविधानि अन्यानि च पात्राणि करोति. Bharjana is frying. So frying pan and other things.
Okay, so Ayaskara is blacksmith. Asmakam. our use,
Hmm.
for our use.
Hmm.
Vajjana
he made-
kapalani means fry pan.
Huh.
frying pan.
So it is
I think
shaped like this. So,
Hmm.
hmm.
So several
think the
things
same.
like
Hmm.
fry pan, etc.
Hmm.
Several vessels, patranis, vessels.
Hmm.
He does karoti.
Hmm. Itham.
Ityam.
Itham. Hmm. Hmm.
Itam. Itam. Itam alpa mulyah
Abhi.
Okay, because of
Smasarah.
okay. Api
Hmm.
ash
Ashmasaro.
ashmasaro
Hmm.
jananam
Hmm.
amulyah loha.
Loha. So, itham, in this way, alpam amulyah api ashmasarah jananam amulyo loha. So, this way.
This way.
Hmm.
Even though it is less expensive, alpa mulyo, less expensive.
Hmm.
Uh,
Ashmasarah. Ashmasarah is another name for iron.
Already we are told.
Iron. Okay.
Ashmasarah. We in the other previous paragraph there was Ashmasarah.
Hmm.
Janana.
Hmm.
It's important for among.
Janam amulyah loha. That which cannot be valued.
Priceless.
Invaluable.
Precious metal.
Precious. See?
Invaluable.
So
Invaluable.
everybody says gold is very important. Here they are saying no.
Though it is of lesser value, it is invaluable for people.
Now this call will get cut. Please join again with the same.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Different ID, different link.
No, I think same.
Yeah, 40 minutes only free link.
Okay, we will do it again. Let me.
Okay.